So we got the Miata outside. Just did the oil on that. We also got Raymond in here. Apparently Raymond might have burnt his clutch up. So we're gonna pull Raymond's motor, check out the clutch. Hopefully it's just the clutch and not the transmission. I just did the oil in the truck, and now I gotta do Sydney's car. It's way overdue. So I'm gonna pull that one in, kind of help Ray where I can. And then we're gonna try to get the skirts on the car before Clarksville, car meaning the Miata, which I got pulled out. So Ray can have his bay and I can do all the oil changes I need to do. But it's the first sunny day since the NSS event wasn't sunny, where you can actually see how good this paint is and how well the job Cody did. Still got the up pipe. We'll see if I get the down pipe made. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I'm hopeful. We at least can do the side skirts, make it look hot for Clarksville. So let's get Sydney's car pulled in, get her oil change, and help Ray where we can. Drop it. Drop it. What you doing?
Oh, hey. I'm taking the drive shaft off. I'm gonna make a big oil spill in Jared's garage.
It looks like it's fighting you.
It's tight. I'm gonna spin on it. I'm not strong enough.
So we got Raymond's motor out. Went fairly well. Didn't have to worry about a nice bay like on the Miata. But now to get the trans off and look at the clutch. Well, I would say this clutch is toast. You can smell it, it's disgusting. Alright, well, let's get this off. So I think we found the issue. No pads on each side.
Always make sure your clutch is new. Rated for the power that it's for.
Raymond fancy. Well, Ray forgot his alignment tool, so he left to go get that. So I started working on my Miata. If y'all watched the last episode, y'all would know that my car was setting too low and my fenders got pulled out from the tires. So I was trying to fix that, and I think I got the other side at least pseudo good. It's not nice in here, but at least it's ready to be rolled. I can't tell if it's noticeable since the car's dirty, but at least it's back up to stockish, and then we'll raise the car up and we shouldn't have an issue. So I'm gonna try my hand at this side. Hopefully I don't crack any paint. So let's get it. All right, so I think we got her pretty good. I went ahead and raised both the struts. Both of them are matching. Hopefully we'll be up enough. Next, I need to take out my spacers in the rack. So, I have spacers right here to push the tie rod out more. I had those before I got the Destroyer die, and now I think they're just overkill. I don't need them, and I think that's messing up me doing my alignment as well. I'm gonna take those out, put the wheels back on, lower it, and then see where we're at height-wise, and then try to get a string alignment for Clarksville. So, let's get to it. Well, Ray made it back. So, got this tie rod out. Just kind of explain what I'm taking out. Oh, it's because of you. Well, not for the film. I'm adding that to the camera. No, I ain't adding that to the camera. No. So I got this tie rod out. This is what we're taking out. So Cam and Cody have the Destroyer die kit as well, and they're not using this, so I'm gonna take it out, match, and hopefully I can get my alignment dialed in. So time to do the other side. You wanna try it? Just needs a charge.
What did you plug in? It's an SR, it should work. Sure. Don't even look at that. Basics.
It kind of felt like it was gonna hit.
Gas, ignition timer. All the grounds on it good.
Yeah, I put the ground for the.
Getting fuel? You hooked your fuel up right?
Yep.
You sure?
There's, yeah, because it's still molded like the same way I put it in.
It's crazy your battery died that fast. How old is that battery though?
It's also a Walmart cheapie.
We should just throw it on the charger while you had your car down. I'm just gonna start doing that every time you take your car down.
It's only a week.
Happy that man's is.
Got away from a lot of time. I said I'm up to stop running.
Do we need to take it off charge now?
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
He's charging at 14 watt. I don't know what the hell my car's doing.
Let's check yours now.
SR land now. Let me on it. Taking over.
Are you happy now, Raymond? Alright. So we got it running, just did the first test drive. Now I'm gonna be in the seat. Boost gauge works though, right?
Yeah, and my water temp apparently is my boost gauge.
It is your boost gauge?
Yeah, look.
How'd you do that?
I didn't do anything. I might ask David for his bullets. I think my box may have been messed up. This thing.
All I know is Raymond's a better man than me because I would have already done a burnout.
With the windows down, I'm about to be driving, the Beatles will smack me in the face.
Alright.
Alright, thanks for all the help.
Peace out.
I'll probably be cruising soon, just to drive this car.
Yeah, once I get the lights on, we can go ride.
Down in a grave, brass knuckles to the face. I have always been a waste. Please just come to my place. Tie me up from my arms. Leave cuts on my waist.
So, we didn't make it to Clarksville this weekend. I couldn't figure out the alignment. I don't know what it was, but I could not figure it out. It just kept fighting me. Ended up, the steering wheel was off, so that was throwing me off, so I got that fixed today. I called it last night at like 11:30. It just wasn't worth doing another late night to try to make a drift event, just being Clarksville. No hate on Clarksville, but they do it monthly. It's not like NSS where it's rare. But I did getting a half alignment. Only got to drive it a little bit down the road because we don't have lights yet. I still got to paint that. But it looked like my steering wheel's still straight, driving pseudo straight, and hopefully get an alignment from Ryan next weekend, hopefully. What's next on the docket? I need to paint these. I've already got the caps painted. Cody did that when we painted the car. I also need to get this installed and then take it back out, and I'm going to paint it with the housing. Other than that, we still need to figure out a downpipe. If I can get a downpipe built and still use this turbo, then I'll be good to go. I'll be a happy camper. I'm really trying not to spend the money on a nice brand new turbo, exhaust manifold, all that stuff. I want to use that money elsewhere for the channel, not just for the drift car. Hopefully we can get all that done in the next episode. But for now, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night. Raymond fancy. You happy now, Raymond?